Alright, what's going on guys? Today we're going to be installing a liquid CPU cooler in my roommate's computer, as well as talking about some of the differences between air and liquid cooling. Alright, let's do it.
So, a lot of people are nervous about going to water cooling. And it's one of those things that, yeah, it seems like it's going to be scary because you've got water going inside a computer system that is essentially just all electronics that if they get wet, they go bye-bye. This is an AIO, it's the Celsius S24 made by Fractal Design. I'm going with it because it matches my case. I have a Fractal Design Meshify C. Right now I'm just swapping the fans over to get reorientation of wires so I can make it look pretty again, because I am swapping the way the radiator goes into the case.
We're basically flipping it 180 so the hoses will be towards the rear of the case, it'll be a little more clean.
The air cooler I had was a Cooler Hyper 212 Evo something. Kept the temperatures down really low, so I had no issues with temps. Honestly, this whole thing is mostly for aesthetics, but I am gonna get better temps out of doing this, and it's one of those things where I ended up doing a computer build for Alex here, which I'm sure he can show you some footage of while he's doing this. But we ended up doing that build and he went with an AIO right off the bat per kind of my recommendations, and it turned out amazing. It's got great temps, runs well, and just zero issues whatsoever, and it was super easy to install when we were putting it together. So I decided that I would save up a little bit of money and make the jump just to get that look and better cooling potential.